Today we are going to learn square of a trinomial. We have already learned square of a binomial a plus b whole square. Formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. But today we are going to learn square of trinomial, means a plus b plus c whole square. This is trinomial, a plus b plus c whole square. Formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula of square of trinomial a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, or x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now we have to expand 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square. 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square. So putting 2a equal to x, 3b equal to y and 4c equal to z. 2a equal to x, 3b equal to y and 4c equal to z. Now x plus y plus z whole square. And what is the formula of x plus y plus z whole square? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So we have x equal to 2a, y equal to 3b and z equal to 4c. So put the value of x, y, z. 2a whole square plus 3b whole square plus 4c whole square plus 2 into 2a into 3b. This is 2xy. 2 into 2a into 3b plus 2yz. 2yz means 2 into 3b into 4z plus 2zx. 2 into 4c into 2a. Now 2a whole square means 4a square, 2 to the 4, a square plus 3b square means 9b square plus 4c square means 4 4 the 16c square plus 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12ab plus 3 to the 6, 6 4 the 24bz plus 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16ac. This is the expand form of 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square. 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square plus 12ab plus 24bz plus 16ac. Now next. A minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Two terms are negative, minus 2b and minus 3c. So putting a equal to x minus 2b equal to y and minus 3c equal to z. A minus 2b minus 3c whole square. A equal to x minus 2b. 2b is the negative term. Minus 2b equal to y and minus 3c equal to z. So, x plus y, we have x plus y plus z whole square. And formula is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now put the value of x, y and z. X for a, so s square plus y for minus 2b. Y equal to minus 2b. So in case instead of y, we have to write minus 2b whole square plus z equal to minus 3c. So minus 3c whole square. A square minus 2b whole square minus 3c whole square. X square plus y square plus z square. Now we have to write 2xy. 2 into x for a and y for minus 2b. 2 into a into minus 2b plus 2yz. 2 into y for minus 2b into z means minus 3c. 2 into minus 2b into minus 3c plus 2 into zx minus 3c into x for a. Now s square means s square plus minus 2b whole square. Minus minus plus 2 to the 4 and b square means b square. So 4b square. A square plus 4b square. Then minus 3c whole square. 3 3 are 9 c square. After that 2 into a into 2b. 2 to the 4 ab. And what is the sign? Plus into minus. Plus minus minus 4ab. After that 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. First we multiply the coefficient, constant term. 2 into minus 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. Next sign, plus minus minus and minus minus plus 12 BC. Again plus 2 into minus 3c into a means 2 3 is 6 AC and sign plus minus minus 6 AC. A square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 4ab plus 12bc minus 6 AC. Now next 3 number. 2a minus 5b minus 7c whole square. Here also 5b is negative sign and 7c also negative sign. So putting x equal to 2a, y equal to minus 5b. Y equal to minus 5b and z equal to minus 7c. Now we have x plus y plus z whole square and formula is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xz plus 2yz plus 2zx. And we have to put the value of x, y, z. X for 2a means 2a whole square. Y for minus 2b, not only 5b. minus 5b, then minus 5b whole square plus z equal to minus 7c, minus 7c whole square. This is x square plus y square plus z square. After that 2xz, 2 into 2a, x, value of x 2a, and value of 2xy, value of y minus 5b, 2 into x into y. So 2 into 2a into y means minus 5b plus 2yz, 2 into minus 5b into z means minus 7c plus 2zx, 2 into minus 7c into 2a. Now multiply 2a whole square. 2a whole square means 2 square means 4 and a square. So we get 4a square. Minus minus plus 5 5 is 25 b square plus 25 b square. Minus minus plus 7 7 is 49 c square plus minus minus 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20 AB. 2 to the 4, 2 into 2a, 2 to the 4a minus 5b means plus minus minus 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20, 20 AB. Again minus minus plus 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 5 to the 10, 7 10 is 70 BC. After that plus minus minus 2 to the 4, 4 7 is 28 AC. If you want to multiply first sign, then you also do that, plus minus 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 plus, and after that we multiply the variable. 2 5 is 10, 10 7 is 70, 70 b into c means BC. So 4a square plus 25b square plus 49c square minus 20ab plus 70bc minus 28ac. Okay, understood? Now next. One by 2a minus 1 by 4b plus 2 whole square. 1 by 2a minus 1 by 4b plus 2. Whatever math we have, putting x equal to 1 by 2a. This is x. X equal to 1 by 2a. Y equal to minus 1 by 4b. Y equal to minus 1 by 4b. And z equal to only 2. See, x equal to 1 by 2a. Y equal to minus 1 by 4b. And z equal to 2. Now, formula is x plus y plus z whole square. This is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now put the value of x, y and z. What is x? X for 1 by 2a whole square. What is y? Y for minus 1 by 4 b square. And what is z? Z for 2 square. X for 1 by 2a. Y for 1 by 4b minus 1 by 4b whole square. Z for 2. After that 2xy. 2 into x means half into a into y means minus 1 by 4b. X means 1 by 2a into minus 1 by 4b plus 2yz. 2 into y means minus 1 by 4b, z means 2, plus 2 into z means 2 into 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a square plus minus 1 by 4b square plus 2 square plus 2xy, 2 into half a into y for minus 1 by 4b plus 2 into y for minus 1 by 4b into z for 2 plus 2 into 2 into 1 by 2a. Now we get 1 by 2a square means a square by 4 plus 1 by 4b square means b square by 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 2 ja 4. After that plus minus minus 2 2 cancel, plus minus minus 2 2 cancel, then what will get? A into b, ab by 4, a into b, ab by 4. Again plus minus minus 2 2 ja 4 and 2 2 cancel, minus b plus 2 2 cancel 2a. See, a square by plus 4 plus b square by 16 plus 4 minus ab by 4 minus b plus 2a. Understood? Now next, factorize. Factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16zx. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16zx. 4x square, 9y square, 16z square. 3 terms are plus 12xy also plus, and here 2 negative sign. 2 negative sign minus 24yz and minus 16zx. In these two terms are negative terms, minus 24yz and minus 16zx. These two terms are negative terms, and in these two terms z is common. In these two terms, in both terms, z is common. So we write 16z square as minus 4z whole square. 16zx and 24yz. These two terms are negative terms. Minus 24yz and minus 16zx. In these two terms are negative terms. These two terms are negative terms, and both terms z is common. Z is common. So we have to write 16z square. We have to write 16z square as minus 4z whole square. Why we choose 16z square? Because in these two negative terms, minus 24yz and minus 16zx, both term z is common. So we have to choose 16z square as minus 4z whole square. We convert it negative term, minus 4z whole square. Now we have 4x whole square means 2x whole square. 9y square means 3y whole square, and 16z square means minus 4z whole square, plus 2xy. 2xy means 2 into 2x into 3y, plus 2yz. 2yz means 2 into y means 3y into z means minus 4z, plus 16zx. 2 into z for minus 4z, x for 2x. Now she is student. 2x square. 4x square means 2x whole square. 9y square means 3y whole square. And 16z square means minus 4z whole square. And we have formula x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy. Here x for 2x, y for 3y. So we have to write 2 into 2x into 3y plus 2yz. 2 into y for 3y and z for minus 4z plus 2zx. 2 into minus 4z plus 2x. She 2x square means 4x square, 3y square means 9y square, 4z square means 16z square. And 12x square, we have to multiply 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12xy, here also 12xy. Then 3 to the 6, 6 4 the 24, minus 24yz, here also 24yz. And 16zx, 2 4 the 8, 8 to the 16zx. Now we have to write 2x plus 3y plus minus 4z whole square. A square plus b square plus c square. X square plus y square plus z square. Then 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus minus minus 4z whole square. Minus 4z whole square means 2x plus 3y minus 4z. We write it 2 times. 2x plus 3y minus 4z. 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square means 2x plus 3y minus 4z. We can write 2 times 2x plus 3y minus 4z and 2x plus 3y minus 4z. This is the answer. Okay. Now next. Same math. 25x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 20xy minus 12yz plus 30xz. See, 25x square, 4y square, 9z square minus 20xy minus 12yz plus 30xz. Here also two negative terms, minus 20xy and minus 12yz. Minus 20xy and minus 12yz, here two negative terms are there and y is common in both terms. Y is common in both terms, so we have to write 4y square. Y is common in both two terms, minus 20xy and minus 12yz. Both terms are negative term and y is common in both terms. So we have to write 4y square as minus 2y whole square. Why this is negative term? Because of minus 2y. Minus 20xy and minus 12yz. Y are common. In both term y is common. So we have to choose 4y square only, not 9z square, not 25x square. Because y is common in both term. So we have to choose 4y square as minus 2y whole square. Now we have 25x square means 5x whole square. 4y means minus 2y whole square plus 9z means 3z square. Here x square plus y square plus z square. Now we will write 2xy means 2 into x means 5x into y means minus 2y. See, math is not changed. 20xy minus 20xy. Here we will write 2 into 5x into minus 2y. Multiply it, 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20 means minus 20xy. Again plus 2yz. 2 into y for minus 2y into 3z. 2yz. Multiply it, 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, minus 12yz. Here also minus 12yz. Plus 2zx, 2 into 3z into x means 5x. 3 to the 6, 5 6 the 30. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. What is the formula? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. X plus y plus z. Here x means 5x minus 2y plus 3z whole square. Then 5x minus 2y plus 3z whole square. We can write it 2 times. 5x minus 2y plus 3z. Again we can write 5x minus 2y plus 3z. First we will see what is the negative term. Here two terms are negative, 20xy and 12yz. Minus 20xy and minus 12yz. In both terms y is common. So we can write 4y square as minus 2y whole square. Now we have formula x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xz plus 2yz plus 2zx. So x 25x square. 25x square means 5x whole square. 4y square means minus 2y whole square. 9z square means 3z whole square. Plus 2xy means 2 into 5x into minus 2y. 2yz 2 into minus 2y into 3z plus 2zx 2 into 3z into 5x. So x plus y plus z whole square. X 5x, y minus 2y plus 3z whole square. So 5x plus minus minus 2y plus 3z whole square. We can write it 2 times. 5x minus 2y plus 3z and 5x minus 2y plus 3z. Now another type of math. Evaluate 99 whole square. Evaluate 99 whole square. So we can multiply 99 into 99. But we know the formula. Using formula we can find the value of 99 whole square. We can write 99 100 minus 1 whole square. We know the formula. Square of binomial, square of trinomial. So we can try to evaluate it using formula. So 99 we can write 100 minus 1 whole square. 100 minus 1 whole square means a minus b whole square. And what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. And we can write this one also in this way. 100 for a means 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. Why 100 minus 1? Why we take 100? Because it is easy to multiply. It is easy to multiply. 100 square means 10,000 minus 200 plus 1. Then 10,001 minus 200, and answer is 1089, 9801. It is easy to multiply 100, 10,000, 10,000. That's why we take 100 minus 1 for 99. 99 whole square means 100 minus 1 whole square. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. This is a, this is b. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square, 100 square means 10,000. 2 into a into b, 200 plus 1 square means 1. Then 10,000 plus 1, 10,001 minus 200, 9,801. Okay. Now if evaluate 107 whole square, 107 whole square, then we take 100 plus 7 whole square. 107 whole square, 107 means 100 plus 7. Again we use 100, we can take 100 because it is easy to multiply. Then this is the formula of a plus b whole square. And what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. We can write in this way: 100 whole square plus 2 into 100 into 7 plus 7 whole square. 100 whole square plus 2 into 100 into 7 means 1400 plus 7, 7 ja 49. Then we add 11449. This is the answer. Here we take formula a plus b whole square. And here we take 100 minus 1, we get 99. Then use a minus b whole square. I hope all of you understood. Thank you, student, in this class up to this.